Hi guys, in another video by MTech Pro. After years of speculation, years of leaks, the new iPhone SE is here. There's no surname. It's just the iPhone SE, so I'm calling it the SE2 for simplicity. So that's new, and why this is actually a steal of a deal is over. All the design is unchanged from the iPhone 8. I thought we would see at least some minor changes aside from the Apple logo being centered on the back and the new colors be designed the body. The chassis is exactly the same dimensions. Same with means all of your old iPhone 8 and 7 cases will still fit. The new iPhone SE comes in 3 new colors: black, product red and white, and is actually different from the iPhone 8. Colors: the black is darker, more rich. The white cleaner, that is muted as a silver color on the iPhone 8. I do like the new color scheme, very simple. Just 3 are easy to decide, and pretty much all of the leaks were on point here. All the rumors did happen. Same chassis, new internals, the display 4.7-inch, the same brightness, no new technology here, although on the inside we now have an Apple 813 chip, are likely to see 3 GB of RAM. Also want to get some official benchmarks in, but no surprises here. What is surprising is Apple did not include the U1 ultra-wideband chip that can be found in the new iPhone. The new iPad Pro doesn't have one either. So it's a little bit of a mystery, but could be a cost-saving measure that was for the camera, or looking at a 12-megapixel shooter. It's unclear which generation camera this is. It was pulled from the iPhone 11 Pro or from the XS series, but unlikely to be from the newer phone. Does it as a cost-saving measure? Apple does call it the single camera system ever in an iPhone. That's quite a title to hold, maybe in 2016. It also has a portrait mode with technology Apple calls monocular depth sensing. It uses machine learning to detect depth in faces, which, unfortunately, means that it will only work on people, not pets. It includes optical image stabilization, and Apple says it can do cinematic stabilization on video as well as support 4K video at 60 FPS. The front-facing selfie camera is 7 megapixels, and it can also do portrait mode effects. The water resistance remains the same IP68 rating, which is a meter at 30 minutes. I would not recommend actually stress testing those. Taking it underwater into the shower at IP68 is just borderline. You can splash it, but submersion is not recommended. The battery life is the same as the iPhone 8 series, which was just about the same as the iPhone 7 series. In fact, I wouldn't even be surprised if Apple is recycling the battery here as a cost-saving measure to possibly the same one as the iPhone 8, also include faster Wi-Fi and network 4G, which is more of a marketing term. But this phone is getting faster in the connectivity realm again. No U1 chip, which is a cost-saving measure. These come in 64 or 128 and 256 gigabytes of storage. So starting at $400. And it will come with a free year of Apple TV Plus. Anyways, pre-orders is available right now with the shipping date on April 24th. Thanks for watching everybody. Don't forget like and subscribe, share if you like.